To create custom fingerprint animation for Realme GT8 Pro, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down to the home screen, lock screen and style, then scroll down again and click on more. Here we'll be able to find fingerprint animations. Go to the custom and here you can click on the plus button to create your own fingerprint animation. Now what you can do is click right there. That way your keyboard will pop up and you can enter one digit that you want to use as a fingerprint animation icon. So you can go for emojis or with whatever you like, and then it will be used as your fingerprint animation. Other way to choose a different icon is to go to the recommended right here. You can select any icon from this list and click on change to re-roll all of the icons. Pick whichever one you like. And then finally, last thing is to pick a different color for the effect. So choose whichever one you like again, and then click on done. That way you'll get yourself a new fingerprint animation. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.